Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today you and I together, along with Isabella, will be constructing our yogurt parfaits. Isabella, what will we be needing?
You will need yogurt, your choice of berries, and some homemade granola.
Awesome. Super quick, super easy. You could put these in your fridge and have breakfast every day. Isabella, why don't you show us how it's done? I love to say that all these recipes are so easy, even a kid could do them. Isabella is just putting her yogurt in. Remember, we always have choices. You can do a coconut yogurt, you can do a goat's milk yogurt, or an organic cow's milk yogurt. Please make sure you're using organic if you're using cow's products. It is free from GMOs and also the antibiotics. She's a big blueberry fan, so she's gonna go heavy on these blueberries. Okay, and what we're doing is we're just layering. We're doing yogurt, granola, and then the fruit. We're going to repeat that until the jar comes to the top. You can cover it with a lid or some sort of paper and put it in your fridge. So Isabella, that looks fabulous. Are you gonna top that with?
A strawberry.
Oh, great minds think alike. And just like that, your parfait is ready.